So I'm touching up some photos using the blur tool in Photoshop. I used AI to detect the background in Lightroom and give it a blurred background, but it didn't catch everything, so I need to clean up the edges. And I'm doing that with, like I said, the blur tool. And up here with the blur brush, I've made it narrow, which is very helpful for me to get close to the edge. And I can change the angle by just moving that little arrow to whatever direction I want. But I found that it's kind of annoying to have to go back into the brush every single time to change the angle. And what I didn't know is you can use the keypad, the arrows on the keypad, to change that angle without having to go back up to the top of your toolbar. So if I just I'm moving it with the left arrow, getting in there, perfect. And then if I do the right arrow, I can move it a little bit more. And to move it more efficiently, you can hold down Shift and then touch the arrow keys once, and it'll move at 15-degree increments. So you can get a little bit faster by doing that. And that is it. I can't believe I didn't know this sooner. I hope that you guys use this because it'll help with precision and just make your workflow a little bit better. Thanks.